channel. Today I'm out here doing some landscape photography of my local lake where I live. Well, I'm using my Nikon D5300 and this is my first trip out this year to this lake. Well, as you can see the background now, it's very beautiful outside and hopefully I'm going to make a few good photos. I've been here before, so I know what I'm shooting. But today it's not about taking pictures. This is just me going out to eat some food. Just made me some dinner. As you can see, it's 9:15 in the evening and the sun is still bright, and hopefully when I drive home it will be still light, because I've done that before and that wasn't very pleasant, driving home in pitch darkness. But that was very late fall. Now today I'm going to enjoy some food, enjoy some photography, and try not to think about how many steps I've taken today, because that, wait a second, is just 6,300 steps. And that's my video for today. Bye for now.